Bangladesh reels under chaos following Sheikh Hasina's sudden ousting. Here's looking at Bangladesh's journey, which is fraught with turmoil, marked by significant political upheaval and power struggles. From the aftermath of the partition of India in 1947 to the assassination of key leaders, the country's history is a testament to its resilience. This episode delves into critical events that shaped Bangladesh's early years, including the Bangladesh Liberation War, the dramatic coups of 1975, and the eventual rise of power of Hussain Mohammad Ershad following the assassination of President Zia-ur-Rahman. The Partition of India. The Partition of India in 1947 led to the creation of Pakistan, comprising West Pakistan and East Pakistan, separated by about 16,000 kilometers of Indian territories. Tensions between the two regions escalated over time due to cultural, economic, and political differences. Birth of Bangladesh, 1971 War of Independence. These tensions culminated in the Bangladesh Liberation War in 1971, a bloody conflict that saw the rise of Bengali nationalist and self-determination movements in East Pakistan. The war began on March 25, 1971, when the West Pakistan launched Operation Searchlight against East Pakistan, resulting in widespread violence and genocide. The Mukti Bahini, a guerrilla resistance movement, fought valiantly against Pakistani military, and with India's intervention on December 3, 1971, East Pakistan achieved independence, getting the identity of Bangladesh on December 16, 1971. 1975 Assassination and coups. Following independence, Bangladesh faced a series of political upheavals. The period between 1975 and 1982 was particularly turbulent, marked by multiple assassinations and coups. August 15. Assassination of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. On August 15, 1975, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Bangladesh's founding father and father of former PM Sheikh Hasina, was assassinated along with most of his family by Bangladesh army personnel. Minister Khondekar Mushtaq Ahmed seized control, becoming head of the interim government, marking the first military intervention in the Bangladesh's politics. November 3. Removal of Khondekar Mushtaq Ahmed. On November 3, 1975, Khondekar Mushtaq Ahmed was ousted from power by Brigadier Khalid Musharraf. However, this was short-lived, as another coup on November 7, led by left-wing army personnel, resulted in the assassination of Musharraf and the release of Zia-ur-Rahman, who subsequently became president. November 7. Second coup and the assassination of Khalid Musharraf. On November 7, 1975, another coup led by left-wing army personnel resulted in the assassination of Brigadier Khalid Musharraf. During this coup, Musharraf, along with ATM Haider and Nazmul Huda, was killed by defiant soldiers and the 10 Bengal Regiment, despite orders from their commanding officer, Colonel Nawaz, to ensure their safety. This coup also led to release of Zia-ur-Rahman, who later became president. 1977-1980 Failed attempts. Zia-ur-Rahman's presidency faced multiple challenges, including several failed coup attempts between 1977 and 1980. Despite these threats, Zia maintained his popularity and public confidence, even as Awami League supporters and independence war veterans sought to undermine his actions. 1981 Assassination of Zia-ur-Rahman. On May 13, 1981, Zia-ur-Rahman was assassinated in Chittagong by a group of army officers, along with 6 bodyguards and 2 aides. The assassination, allegedly masterminded by Lieutenant General Hussain Mohammad Ershad, marked a significant turning point in Bangladesh's political landscape. Following Zia's death, Ershad began distancing themselves from the civilian government and suppressed any investigation into the assassination. Major General Abul Manzoor, who had been implicated in the conspiracy, was executed shortly after surrendering. 1982. Irshad's coup. Although Irshad initially expressed loyalty to Sattar, he staged a bloodless coup on March 24, 1982, removing Sattar from office and proclaiming himself Chief Martial Law Administrator. On December 11, 1983, Irshad assumed the presidency, suspending the constitution and consolidating his power. These events highlight the turbulent history of Bangladesh's early years, marked by political instabilities, coups, and assassinations. The assassination of Ziaur Rahman and the subsequent rise of Irshad underscore the fragile nature of nation's political environment during this period. The upcoming episode will be on 1996 military coup attempt, 2007 military rule, and the 2009 Bangladesh Rifles Revolt.